Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have a fun dermatology case study thanks to a cyst removal by the director of the movie Shazam, David F. Sandberg, whose Instagram handle is Pony Smasher. Let's take an initial look. More in a moment. David says his cyst video lost him some followers, but it was, quote, totally worth it. He even said the video horrified people at his Hollywood studio. Let's take a look at some examples of similar cysts. Most will agree that his cyst wasn't even that graphic. Here's the conclusion of his clip. And they'll put a link below to the whole video. By the way, click like for David, who is a total popaholic. Here's a previous video that he posted on Instagram. Also, can anyone tell me what is going on in this clip of his? Mesmerizing. I'm not sure what actually happened here. Have a great medical night, everyone. And to do so, check out THINERGY.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater CHEN. I'm saying hi to Team THINERGY. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out THINERGY. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, THINERGY is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.